Hi, all. I am Kashna from class 7. Parma Patala Kendra Vidyalayam. My team members' names are Aidev and Harijaran. We are here to present the idea on Vikasit Bharat Foundation to make the India best on 2047.
Our idea is the crop animal sensor trap.
The living form of the flora which it is specially engineered by the like a large quiet cow. A crop edible leafy material like a nutrimosus grow right on the animal back fluid to animal metabolism. This needs avoid to use for soil and field harvest. A robotic arm gently brush the back of the animal and collect the rip crop.
The containment system, the sensor trap. Components, proximate sensor. Small device on the pen walls that constantly measure the exact different distance between animal and the fence. Control unit CCU. A small computer that watches all the sensor data and knows where the animal should be in the safe zone. Mineral spray nozzle. A jet along the fence that dispenses a special treat the animal craves.
How does it work? The trap. If the flora beast gets too close to the fence, crossing the awareness threshold, the sensor immediately tells to the CCU exactly where the animal is. The CCU instantly, uh, instantly the nearest spray nozzles. The animal is instantly rewarded with a treat to nearest threshold, closing it to stop, turn around and stay away from the physical barrier. It learned that the staying central is the behavior that brings satisfaction. This is our target. We make soon. Thank you all.
Thank you.
All.